Hey everyone, this is Stephanie Toomey from the Wood Library, and I would like to welcome you to the new how-to video. So today we are going to be looking at how to access Ancestry.com from home, which is a brand new thing that the library has never offered before. Ancestry has always been available on Wood Library computers in the building, but now, thanks to OWL, there is home access. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to www.owl.org. And this is just going to be a basic tutorial. I'm not going to do a full family history search or anything today. I'm just going to show you what we've got. So once you're on the home page of OWL, you're going to click up here in Discover History or on Discover History, and it's going to take you to a little list of resources that OWL has created for all those history buffs out there while they're at home. So we're going to be looking at genealogy resources. So if you click that, it's just going to take you right here. So I'm not going to click it. If you're not sure about your PIN number, or if you're not sure if your card is expired, please contact the library via email at woodlibrary@owl.org, and someone will respond to you in regards to getting your card activated and ready to go. Or you can just click this link to reset your PIN and you can get taken care of a little bit quicker that way. We're not going to do that, so for today we're just going to click on resources, and it's going to ask me to enter the library card number. And my PIN, and we're just going to hit login, and it just takes you to this portal page, and there's only the one link, so we're going to click on Ancestry Library Edition, and voila, here we are, Ancestry Library. So we can just start a new search. Everything is pretty easy, but look at all these things that you can explore. You can just go ahead and start browsing by year for census records, quick links if you know certain things you do want to look for, maybe old immigration records or birth, marriage, and death certificate records. You can just jump right in, or we can just go to search, and I'm going to search all categories because, like I said, this is just going to be a very light exploration. So I'm going to start with my great grandfather on my paternal side, and I know that his first name was Walter and the last name is Toomey, and I'm pretty sure they lived in Rochester. So when you start typing Rochester, it's going to make all these suggestions, and I'm talking about Rochester and Monroe County in New York. And you can enter a bunch of extra details if you'd like, if you have them, or you can just go ahead and search. And you'll see that this brings up all the records individually, and there's 12 pages at 20 apiece, or you can go by categories. So when you click on categories, this is going to show you all the types of records, and then over here in this column, how many of each type you have. And you can play around with these if you want to go to exact match or sounds like, or you can edit your search or start a new search. If you change anything up here, you can go to update. And the results will be reflected that way. Once you're in here, I'm going back to records, you can just click on any of them and see what they have to say. And some of them will say they have an image, which you can take a look at and understand this is from 1940, so it may not be the clearest. We'll see. Yeah, it's all handwritten, but there's the image, and Ancestry has highlighted for you where Walter Toomey is. So there's that, and we can just hit the back button and go home. But there's message boards, there's the learning center that you can explore about how to get started using Ancestry. If you're familiar with Ancestry already, maybe have done a basic search or two already, they have these resources to dig a little bit deeper, and then different resources for different interests. So that should hopefully get you started on using the Ancestry Library Edition, courtesy of Wood Library and the OWL system. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or send us a message, and we're happy to work with you and see what we can do to get to the bottom of whatever your query is. Stay tuned for more how-to videos on how to access different free services that the library has. And in the meantime, again, this is Stephanie from the Wood Library in Canandaigua. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has a great time exploring Ancestry from home this weekend and maybe learn a little something. And if you find anything interesting or exciting, you're welcome to share it with us as well. We'd be happy to hear about anything that you want to share. It's always exciting to learn new things about yourself and your family and your community. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Stay well, stay home, and we really can't wait to see you back at the library when we open.